Every company has a story, and behind every successful company are people doing their best to keep up. Deadlines, long hours, high expectations. Burnout doesn't show up overnight. It builds quietly. This is where a new chapter begins. One organization we work with decided to invest in their people, not with fads, but with practical, sustainable wellness. They started small, simple daily movement, smarter nutrition choices, and accountability that fits real workdays. No disruption, no pressure, just systems that meet employees where they are. Within weeks, engagement improved, energy rose, absenteeism dropped, and culture shifted from burned out to bought in. This isn't a perk, it's a performance strategy. Your employees are already writing the story. The question is, are you supporting it? Let's build a healthier, more productive workforce. Explore corporate wellness with Destiny Management. Let's build the best you and your best company.